Wow, this store is beautiful. I hope I find my size. Excuse me, how much is this?
It's $20.
Oh, that's not too expensive.
It's on sale today.
Do you have a larger size?
Yes, right here.
Oh, great, thank you. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Great choice. That will be $20.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Good morning. I have an appointment at 10 a.m. My name is Alex Rivera.
Good morning, Alex. Please have a seat. I will see you shortly. Hello, Alex. I'm Dr. Sarah Kim. How are you feeling today?
Hello, doctor. I'm not feeling very well. I've had a headache for 2 days, and I feel very tired.
I see. Do you have a fever or a sore throat?
Yes, I do.
When did the headache start? Was it sudden or gradual?
It started 2 days ago. It was gradual. At first, it was mild. Now it is stronger.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how painful is it?
Maybe a 7. It gets worse at night.
Are you sleeping well?
Not really. I wake up often.
I'm going to check your temperature. Please relax. Your temperature is normal. Let me check your throat.
Okay.
Open your mouth, please. Say ah.
Ah.
Good. It looks slightly irritated, but nothing serious. You may have a mild viral infection. You need rest. Drink plenty of water and avoid stress.
Do I need medicine?
I will prescribe mild pain relief. Take it twice a day. If symptoms continue for more than 5 days, please come back.
Thank you, doctor. I feel relieved.
Take care of yourself and get some rest.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too.